debut press con. You're all here. Sobrang nakakatuwa ng po. I'm actually holding my tears back out of me. I'm pretty. Pero yun, thank you po sa inyong lahat. I really appreciate you all.
So now that you're 18, ano yung mas excited ka to happen sa yung personal life mo, sa career mo, at saka ano yung feeling mo, mamimiss mo now that you're 18 sa mga previous years na mostly ginagawa?
Siguro po ngayong 18 na ako, I'm excited for my growth. Hindi lang po sa personal, yung parang mas magiging ladylike na, kundi pati rin po sa career kasi I know na mas lalawak na yung pwede kong gawin ng mga roles, mga projects. Hindi na siya malilimutan kasi, ay hindi pa siya 18, hindi pa pwede. Yung mga ganun po. And of course, siguro mamimiss ko po yung parang pwede ko ilabas yung parang pagka-kulit ko talaga na talagang makulit. Kasi kailangan talaga like mas mature, mas ladylike. Siguro yun po yung mamimiss ko yun. Talagang pagiging playful ko.
Meron bang advice sa'yo yung parents mo na, oh, now that you're 18 to be, you need to do this, you don't need to do this, you need to watch out for this?
Actually, yung mom and dad ko po, kasi they're both very chill, they're both very cool. Cool parents po talaga sila. Kasi like, ang rule lang nila sa akin, kapag may boyfriend ka na, kailangan parang may respeto rin sa parents. Kasi they believe na parang pag may respeto sa parents mo, definitely respetuhin ka rin. So, yun, parang yun lang yung only rule nila sa akin. Kapag may boyfriend na, kailangan ka respeto. Not only sa parents ko, but also sa parents nila. Kasi they believe na kung paano tratuhin ng boy na yun yung magulang ko. Ganun din nila ako towards the future. So yun, wala naman sila rules sa bago kung lumabas. As in, wala. Very cool parents ko kasi talaga may parents. I'm blessed.
So we know that you started entering the showbiz industry at a very young age. So now that you're already 18, what are the biggest lessons you've learned so far?
Biggest lesson na natutunan ko from all of the veteran actors I've worked with. Like, lahat po sila, they have different advices. Pero meron talagang isang advice na lahat sila laging sinasabi. And it's always to respect your co-actors and always keep your feet on the ground. Kasi lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Sophia, tandaan mo, always respect your co-actors. Kasi ang daming magaling umarte, pero hindi lahat magaling kasama. Parang they believe na mas mahalaga yung attitude mo more than your talent. Kasi yung talent, namuhungon yun eh, but yung ugali, yun na talaga yun. So they always tell me na stay who you are, huwag kang magbabago, and always respect everyone. Like even po yung mga nasa paligid, kasi yung know, parang makabukas director na yun, and then you have a bad experience with them. So sabi nila, never kang mamamaliit ng tao sa set, kahit sino pa yun. Always respect everyone. Yun,